Hello everyone, this is video number 2 on the shopping. So now we are going to select the Taobao. This is the number 1 application in China, and number 2 is Pinduoduo, which was in the previous video. This you can use to buy for the maybe beauty products, clothes, and eatable things like milk. This kind of things you buy from here. Branded things like maybe branded shoes, also like this kind of products, like this is face wash, this is hand wash, I think, shower gel, this is shower gel, and this is hand wash. So this kind of things you can buy from here. So let's see that how to register yourself. So we can click here with the Taobao, and it you can see that I am already registered here. So you will click here and on your picture, and obviously you will have different options, so you can register yourself here. But these are the further information. For example, these are asking about your body measurement, which I have not entered here because I don't buy things from here. But I will suggest you, if you are going to buy things from here, then you should enter your body measurements. So I'm going back. Maybe you should must add actually. And there are some other option like Voda, I don't know this meaning. Voda Aisha, the car I like, then my baby, like you have baby. It's better you fill this information, then they are going to show you related things. I'm going back now. So I assume you know how to register. Now how to buy things from here. The process is almost same as we discussed in the Pinduoduo. So you are going to write here whatever you want to buy. Okay, so for example, I am going to select here again shoes. So I say shears none, and boys shoes. Again, it also have multiple options. You can say this is Tamao, I think, if I'm right. Shangqin. Okay, go back. So these are the all products. If we want to filter it, there are multiple options. You can also set the price here. Maybe I'm going to select the 50 to 99. Okay, and then these are the city. Maybe I say that I want to buy from Beijing. Actually, I'm not selecting this because it will limit my options. You can see that if I select Beijing, I have 1400 options only. But if I don't select it, now I have 40,000 options. Okay, okay, we were here. So 50 to 99, and this is my address. This one is I'm not sure. Maybe you can translate it if you want, but I'm going to leave it. So these are the time, I guess, 24 and 48 hours, but I'm not going to select again. Let's leave it like this, and we select here this one. Okay, so you can see that it is price range. 44 people have bought this, and this one you can see that 2-1 plus run. It means that 20,000 people bought this product. Okay, and we can see that they are also showing the related products. So let's say we want to choose the actually brands. This should be brands. We can see these are brands. So for example, I say I want to buy the Anta, then 361. These are the Chinese brands. Arke is also Chinese brand. I hope you already know the Adidas, Fila, and Warrior Camel, Skechers. This one is okay. I'm going to go with these three options. Select. Here we go. So these are Chinese brands, but you can see that only 10 people bought, the 22 people No, it should not be like this. Let's open this. 22. We can read the reviews. Yeah, maybe 22 people just bought this. So, not a good idea. I would not buy this one. 16 run, 64 run, 3 run, 9 run. But I would suggest that if you are going to buy shoes, it's better to buy from the Jintong. If I have to buy shoes, I will go and buy from the Jintong. So I'm going to select maybe some other brand. Yuntongsan. This brand I don't know, but let's see. 400 people. Not really good option actually. Anyhow, you can buy from here, but I'm not going to buy from here. So I'm going back. So maybe I show you that what kind of things I buy from here. So if I go here, I buy milk from here. This is my medicine for my acne. These are the face cream for the like winter. Again milk. These are the you know to shave the private parts. Pretty awkward. This is my face wash. So this kind of things I buy from here. A shoe, dress, clothes. Sometimes I buy from here, but for shoes, for electronics, I prefer to buy from the. Let me increase my brightness. I buy from the Jintong. So there are some other options again. If you have bought things, these are in this. This should be like in this portion. Those things you have not paid yet, it should be in this portion. Those things who are in the on the way should be in this portion. But good thing about is that they actually have the cart. Like for example, you can see that I have added this thing in the cart. Okay, and if you want to buy, like you can select here, and this is not available anymore. Select here, and you can see that here if I will pay, this is my location. So if I pay, then they will send me. But actually I don't want to buy these series for now. Go to me again, and these on star, these are my favorite things, which I don't even remember when I like favorite them. Maybe pretty long time I have not used this application. So these are the things I maybe favorite. I don't know when and why. Let's go back. There are some other options. Obviously, you can explore them more. Then you can also pay recharge your mobile phone with this application, which should be from here. If I click here, it will land me on the here. So I can recharge my mobile from here. No, I don't want to do that. Go back. So this is it, Taobao. So you buy things from here which are in the middle range, like clothes, your beauty related things, maybe also food. This has Pakistani food, Indian rice are available on this. Taobao. There are many shops related to. Maybe we write here Pakistan Tami. You can see that Pakistan Changla Tami. So here we can see that Pakistani rice you can buy from here, and other things obviously. For example, a better idea. So for example, if I want to buy something else, so I click here, then I go to their shop. It's their shop, and there are many options like they have halal bread here, and maybe if I click this, this is Rajdhani Suji. If I go to their shop, they will also have the further option. I think it's the same shop, Anyhow, we can, for example, if we want to buy the halal food, we search here. It's in their shop. Let's go to the home page, this one, and we search here Chingchen. Here we go. I just search Chingchen, and this is the snacks, but I'm going to just search the Chingchen here. This is the halal food, not all, but obviously you have to see this stamp is Chingchen, and this here Chingchen. So here you can buy halal food. Here you go. So let's say I'm going to, if I want to buy the snacks, these are snacks. So these are halal snacks. You can see here Chingchen. Okay. So this is pretty good application actually. It's better than Pintoto. As I said before, this is the number one app in China. So you can you can see these pictures, you can buy a lot of things from here. Okay, and it might be like tissue papers, and actually I buy tissue paper from the Pintoto. So this is the Taobao. If you want to ask something about it, I am here. You can ask. In next video we are going to discuss the Qingdao.